Do you ever feel like you're not being taken seriously? That people don't really respect you and your opinion? Do you want to change that and make a lasting impression on others? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to give you practical tips on how to make people respect you and your ideas. It's not just average generic advice. It's mysterious and will make you stand out in any situation. It's human nature for all of us to want to be respected by others. It's something we want in our hearts. We all want to feel like our opinions and ideas are valued and that we are making a difference in the world. But let's be honest, not everyone gets the respect they deserve. Why is that? Well, it's because most people don't know the secrets to making others respect them. They don't understand the habits and behaviors that attract respect and make a lasting impression on others. But don't worry, that's what I'm here for, to share with you the secrets to gaining respect and making a lasting impression on others. Tip number 1. The first tip that I would like to offer is about body language. Your body language says a lot about who you are and how confident you are. People are drawn to people who show confidence and authority during their interactions. So make sure you stand up straight, make eye contact, and speak with authority. These small actions will show people you're in control and confident in yourself and your ideas. This will make people more likely to respect you. Tip number 2. The second tip is to listen more and talk less. People love to feel heard and understood. You will not only gain a deeper understanding of their perspective and ideas if you listen attentively and ask questions when you're in a conversation, but you'll also feel respected. As a result, you will have a distinct advantage in any situation, and others will be more likely to respect you and your ideas. Tip number 3. The third tip is to be consistent in your words and actions. People respect those who keep their promises and follow through on their commitments. It is very important that you never fail to keep your word and that your actions match your words. When you are consistent, others will understand that you are trustworthy and reliable, and that you take your commitments seriously. These are qualities that are highly respected in any situation. Tip number 4. The fourth tip is to be knowledgeable and informed. People respect those who are knowledgeable and have something valuable to offer. So, be sure to keep up with the stuff you're passionate about. Read books, attend seminars, and talk to experts in your field. This will give you the credibility you need to make an impact on other people and be respected by them. Tip number 5. The fifth and final tip is to have a strong work ethic. People respect those who work hard and are dedicated to their goals. So you should strive to always be the best version of yourself and work toward your goals with determination and perseverance in order to reach them. A strong work ethic will demonstrate to others that you are dedicated to your passions and that you will not give up easily. These are qualities that are highly respected in any situation. There you have it, folks. 5 practical and mysterious tips on how to make people respect you. Remember, respect is not given, it's earned. By following these tips and incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to earning the respect you deserve and making a lasting impression on others. You'll become a person who commands attention and influence in any situation. So, what are you waiting for? Start putting these tips into action today, and watch as your confidence and respect grow with each passing day. Even after learning all of these powerful tips, you still have a big problem, and that means you still need more information to fix that problem. Believe it or not, the key information you need is in this video right here. So make sure you watch this to really get the results you want. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all achieve the respect and influence we deserve.